Welcome back. Notification of Panji bypoll is out. Election Commission of India assured notification on Monday announcing Panji bypoll on 13 February. 11th constituency of the state, Panji is going in for polls following elevation of former MLA Manohar Parrikar to the Union Cabinet. Congress candidate Surendra Fatado and BJP candidate Siddharth Kukarkar are in fray as of now.
Election Commission of India published notification regarding bypoll for Panji constituency on Monday. Code of conduct is already in the force since 12th January. The process of election has already begun. 27th January, last date for making nominations. 28th January, date for scrutiny of nominations. 30th January, last date for withdrawal of candidature. 13th February, poll date. 16th February, counting and results. Congress candidate Surendra Furtado and BJP candidate Siddharth Kukarkar are in fray as of now. Furtado will file his nomination on 21st January, whereas Kukarkar will file on 24th of January in presence of Defence Minister Manohar Parrikar. Panji seat of the Goa Assembly has been vacant since 25th November 2014 after former Chief Minister and Panji MLA Manohar Parrikar was elevated to the Union Cabinet. Senior reporter Lokik Shilkar for Prudent.
The meeting with the state mining ministers and secretaries with the Union Mines Minister in Delhi on Monday raised concern about the delays in the environment and forest clearances at the Ministry of Environment and Forest level. The meet has agreed to resolve the issues.
The Union Mines Minister Narendra Singh Tomar held a meeting with the mining ministers of 11 states to prepare a roadmap for implementation of latest MMDR ordinance. He urged states to revive mining given the falling levels of iron ore production in the country. Mining ministers and secretaries from different states offered suggestions for implementation of MMDR ordinance on the ground level. The meeting raised concern about the delays in the environment and forest clearances at the Ministry of Environment and Forest level. It was agreed that delays in environment and forest clearances had to be resolved by the Ministry of Environment and Forest to support mining growth. The Union Minister pointed out other provisions of the ordinance like stricter penalties for illegal mining, establishment of National Minerals Exploration Trust to give impetus to exploration, removal of centers prior approval to eliminate delays, and provision for District Mineral Foundation to address the concerns of mining affected people. Bureau Report Prudent.
NCP spokesperson Trujano Di Mello has criticized the Tourism Minister Dilip Parlekar. This time for no development zone, Di Mello alleges that Parlekar wants to reduce no development zone from 200 to 100 meters along the coastal area. He has also criticized Environment Minister Alina Saldana for being a mute spectator. He addressed media on Monday.
Yeah, Tourism Minister, who is known by his own admission as a land grabber, his greed आता इतली पावल्या फुडें की 200 कोस्टल आमचो फ्रेजाइल इकॉलॉजी जी आसा ते 100 मीटर करप आनी लँड माफियाक ओपन करप आनी कोस्टल एरिया आहा ती काबार करप. एनवायरमेंट मिनिस्टर हैज बिकम रिडंडंट when you take a matter that is concerning the ecology and the environment of Goa and you have a cabinet minister and yet you take the courage to write directly to the tourism minister. ही CRZचे तोंडां बंद करपाक आनी वायलेटर्सांक एक दिशा दिवपाक की बाबा तुमच्यान सांगता गव्हर्नमेंट इज अंडर कन्सिडरेशन देयरफॉर नो एक्शन शुड बी टेकन. ही आनी एका बॅगा खूंय एक्सचेंज जालेली आहा. CRZ ऑफिसरांक शिडकायता असले कन्सिडरेशन घेवन उगी बसचेनू ताबडतोब एक्शन घेवन कंप्लीट करचे नाल्यार आमी उगोत लावचे ना तिंकाय कोर्टान व्हरपाक. So he has become an agent of land mafias of non-Goans. And Alina should make it clear as to what is her stand on this and why has she remained silent on this issue.
Speaking on ZP elections, Trajano raised questions over the actual need and existence of ZPs in the state.
See, basically ZP elections are required or not for Goa. This is important. Fighting is another part. He फकत monument हाडून दवरले न्ही ते टुराक वयता ते येतात कितें करतात तेच बॉम्ब मारता आमकां कांय ना म्हणून हय जाली म्हणून आनी तिसरे पार घालचे करेक्ट करुया मरे जाय जाल्यार वी कॅन करेक्ट इट नो. सी दे वी आर नॉट डिमांडिंग एनी कॅन्सलेशन बट तुमी जे सांगतात पॉलिटिकल जी कलर ताका दिवंक सोदता पळय ते वाय डोंट ब्रिंग फर्स्ट एंटी डिफेक्शन एक्ट.
Chetan Gavas for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.